What we discussed up till now was basically what is covered in HTTP 1.1, which was the latest version of HTTP till 2015, and still, with 60% of websites using it, the most widely used version. The main upgrade of HTTP 1.1 to HTTP 1, in addition of a few methods like put and delete we discussed, in terms of reducing delay, was using persistent instead of non-persistent connections. So, HTTP 1.1 enabled persistent HTTP and allowed multiple pipeline gets over a single TCP connection to decrease delay. However, a problem called head-of-line blocking that could happen in transmission of large objects could slow the process down. HTTP 2, which is a new version introduced in 2015 and gaining popularity fast, solves this problem with changing first-come, first-served response order and dividing objects to frames and scheduling the frames instead. Let's examine head-of-line blocking through an example. Assume the client has requested 4 objects, O1, O2, O3, and O4. O1 is a large object, and if we send objects in first-come, first-served order, as HTTP 1.1 does, all of O2, O3, and O4 will be delayed significantly while waiting for O1 transmission. HTTP 2 solves this problem by dividing objects into frames and interleaving transmission of those frames. This causes O2, O3, and O4, which are smaller objects, and therefore will have a smaller number of frames to be delivered quickly. O1, with larger number of frames, will only slightly be delayed due to those frames interleaving in the beginning.